As many of you are aware, me and the family are in need and want of buying some land. So we have been on a journey for many years now, looking at land that comes up for sale. If it's in our price range, we talk to the sellers about it, and we discuss whether it's going to be ideal for us, because this is hopefully one day going to be our forever home. We're going to buy some land and start our next journey, our next chapter. This land we've seen, and it's close enough to us to not make it too far away, and we're going to go and view it now. So let's see if it's any good for us, and we'll just do a very quick look around this time. We don't have very long to view this land, sadly. But we'll have a look and tell us what you think in the comments. If you think it looks good, great. If you don't, tell us why. Let's get on. Okay, so we really like that land. We are going to talk to the sellers about it, give them our ideas and see what they think. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think it's big enough? Too small? I'm not sure about the size, so tell me, do you think it's big enough for a family of 4? And just, give us your input, see what you think. Anyway, I will give you updates on all of this if it turns into anything, or if it's just another one of these things that we've looked at. But I will keep you updated, don't worry. But thanks for watching. I will see you again next week. Bye for now.